Oke guys, kali ini saya bakalan nunjukin kepada kalian Resident Evil 4 versi kompres ya, reversion dengan fix cutscene yang ada tombol-tombol itu ya. Jadinya nggak bakalan macet lagi. Oke. Terus tinggal ditunggu aja. Di sini saya
udah bagus lagi bajunya tuh. Udah bagus lagi lah bu. Iya.
She will join us, become one of us. This is no ritual, it's terrorism. Isn't that the way these days? Not to worry, we prepared a special ritual for you.
Been a long time, comrade. Krauser. I died in a crash 2 years ago. Is that what they told you? You're the one who kidnapped Ashley. You killed Jill quick, as expected. After all, you and I both know where we come from. What do you want? The sample settler developed, that's all. Leave Ashley out of this! Oh, I need her by Sadler's trusted me. Like you, I'm American. You got her involved just for that? realistic. Umbrella. Almost let it slip. Enough talk. Die, comrade. Ada! Wow, this isn't the bitch in the red dress.
Looks like we have the upper hand here.
You may be able to prolong your life, but it's not like you can escape your inevitable death, is it?
You knew each other?
More or less. Maybe it's about time you told me the reason why you're here.
Maybe some other time.
Ayun.